Baba, why are you worrying so much? Chill. Let's accept it. We've not been speaking in English. We actually end up speaking a lot of Hinglish than English. Hi, I am Priyanka, and in this video, I'll be telling you how to improve your language skills by some 3 golden rules. All remember the 3 proverbial monkeys of Gandhiji: see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. So today I'll be telling you my improvised version of these 3 monkeys and how they can improve your language skills. So my version is see right, hear right, and speak right. So let's begin with our first rule, that is to see right or to read correct. Now, who wants to read those hefty, bulky books and novels and those scary grammar books? It can be a real daunting task for anybody, and it can, you can also end up going off to sleep. But at the same time, you also need to have a very good word power or a vocab base. When you have a good vocab base, only then you can put them in sentences and you can speak fluently. So how do you actually do that without delving deep into dictionaries? I have a quick tip for you here. The words are everywhere. It's on the billboards, it's on the advertisements, it's on the chocolate wrapper that you just threw in the dustbin, it's on the wafer packet that you just had sitting on the couch, it's maybe on the moped that you are riding, or maybe the car that you are driving. I'll give you an example. Let's take an example from an FMCG product, the Lux Beauty Bar. Now Lux comes with a nice word, allure. Lux, alluring beauty. When they use the word allure with it, it means to attract. So now it would be very easy for you to relate the 2 words and learn it, because you already have the concept of the brand in your mind. So when you try to relate Lux or this beauty with attraction or allure, the words can be done like this. Let's take one more example, Mahindra Gusto. Now we all know Mahindra, but I'm trying to tell you how to learn the word gusto. Gusto means full of energy or enthusiasm. So imagine, maybe when the word was picked up to be attached with Mahindra, maybe they wanted to mean, or maybe they wanted to showcase something which would give you a lot of energy, vigor and enthusiasm when you take a ride on it. An international brand like Prada. So when you happen to see a billboard, or maybe you shop something and you get something from this brand. Now of course the name of this company was kept after the founder, but it has got one more meaning. Prada also means a person who has a positive outlook, who's very optimistic. So again, the brand can be learned with this meaning. So the power to retain the word is always more in such cases. So bang, there you go. You just learned 3 new words effortlessly. And I just can't go to the next point without telling you the importance of just one book. I mean, in more than a decade of my career of being into corporate training and teaching, I haven't found a more magical book than this. And this is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Now, believe me, this is not a book. I mean, this is a talking book. It is such a nice vocab builder that you will actually fall in love with this book. And I usually do not recommend 100 books and reading it once. I believe that you just stick to one book and read it maybe 10 times or 100 times than vice versa. Let's now move on to the second strategy, and that is to hear correct. By hear correct, I mean to sharpen our listening skills. And I guess the best way to do this is by seeing a lot of English movies and English songs. Now again, there's a quick tip here. If you directly jump to some real Hollywood movies, you can have a tough time trying to decode or decipher as to what the characters are saying. So my suggestion to you would be that look at some English movies with some Asian background. If you have some characters speaking in English with a different accent, or maybe an accent similar to our culture, it is very easy to understand that kind of a language. I mean, the reason you can understand my English well is because I belong to the same culture as of yours. So if you do that if you replicate that in a similar manner while viewing a lot of English movies, you can go great guns. For example, Gurinder Chatta. She is one of my favorite directors from Britain, but having an Indian origin. Now she tries to make a lot of English movies wherein she explores the lives of Indians living in England. So you would see a lot of Indian characters in her movies, and her way of cinematography, her way of storytelling is so attractive. I mean,
I don't want you running around half naked in front of men, huh? Look how dark you've become, playing in the sun.
But Mom, I'm really good.
What family will want a daughter-in-law who can run around kicking football all day but can't make round chapatis?
so you see the difference? So there's a list. So I would suggest as a beginner, you can just view all her movies and you can be assured of a great start. The next is listening to a lot of nice English songs. So replace those playlists of yours with some nice peppy English numbers. And wait, there's a tip here again. The tip is that whenever you whenever you pick up these songs, make sure that you sing these songs looking at the lyrics of it. When you do that, it becomes all the more easy and you also enjoy it so very much. Girl, you know I want your love for handmade for somebody like me. Come and now follow my lead, hey, come and now follow. And the third and the last monkey, that is to speak right. Now, the first and the second monkeys were reading right and listening right. No matter how much correctly you read and write, but the process shall always be incomplete without speaking right. So grab on those people next to you, your families, your friends, your neighbors, your uncles, your aunts, kiddos, grab any one of them and just speak. You know, my teacher at school used to say that broken English is the way to fluent English. So you just need to practice, practice and practice till you master it. If you have more strategies on how to learn the language, please share it and let me know in the comment box below. By the way, I am coming up with a series of English language skills where I would be dispelling a lot of secrets, strategies and tactics as to how to master the language. So stay tuned till I catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.